Hi, Deepa Rani Shekhar from Transform Life Programs. Love, light, and gratitude. Snoring is a very simple issue, but sometimes it can cause lot of embarrassment. Do you know that people who snore big time, they are very conscious to do sleepovers or sleep around when friends are around? It can really be embarrassing. However much they avoid in a journey or sometimes in a car, they might doze off and then people might laugh at them. So what can be done to relieve people who snore of this snoring effect? Do give me your answers in the comment box. I'll give you mine this evening. Thank you so much for joining me, Deepa Rani Shekhar from Transform Life Programs. Love, life, and gratitude.